But first, it's time for KMIR's financial report. 5 former employees of Bernie Madoff have been convicted of fraud in relation to Madoff's pyramid investing schemes. And Verizon is facing allegations that they're trying to force telephone customers off of their landlines. And today's dip in the markets have some experts wondering if a big rally has come to an end. Joining us now is KMIR financial analyst Brian Amidei. Brian, Bloomberg, Wall Street Journal, both today talking about possibly the end of at least the latest rally. Are you seeing the same thing?
Good evening, Gino. You know that's bunk. There's no way this is the end of the rally. Matter of fact, it's not even a rally. It's the beginning of a cyclical bull market, and there's a lot of arguments between a lot of analysts as to whether this is just a rally off the bottom from '08 or whether this is the beginning of a 20-year cyclical bull market. I am of the opinion that it is a 20-year cyclical bull market, and quite frankly, nobody's buying or selling right now because we're 2 weeks away from first quarter earnings season. Nobody wants to get in the markets without knowing what direction things are going. We know that the winter was a little slower, but nobody knows how bad that was.
Talk about that a little bit. You mentioned earnings coming out. What companies are you looking towards to see how they did over this first quarter before you invest your money?
You know, typically Alcoa is the first company to report. They're kind of proud of that, and that kind of gives you a little bit of a glimpse into the commodity complex and how commodities are doing because of aluminum and things like that. You know, today's market was down actually on China's manufacturing number being weaker than thought. Their growth could be less than 7%. We'd kind of give our left arm to have growth at 7%, but their growth is at 7%, and believe it or not, they're looking to enact some sort of a stimulus program. So you got to take things with relativity, and me personally, I think that I'm going to keep an eye on retail stocks. I'm going to keep an eye on the home builders to make sure that things are following through and that the economy is going in the right direction.
KMIR financial analyst Brian Amidei, thank you, sir.
Thank you, Gino. Have a great day.